Good afternoon, boys and girls. Today in Handwriting Without Tears, you will be making the letter J, the uppercase letter J.
Center starting capitals. Capital J. Smiley face helps you get started. Let's go! Whoa, cool. Start in the center. Big line down. Turn to the smile.
Okay, if you notice, boys and girls, on the chalkboard, he's starting in the center of the chalkboard, not over by the smiley face. Just like the T and the I, it's in the center. And as he's coming down, you can see he's going to start curving towards the smiley face. That's when you need to start curving your J.
Smiley face side. Little line across the top. That was a close one.
Let's try the letter J. First, watch me write the letter. J starts at the top in the center. Big line down, turn to the smiley face side, jump to the starting corner, little line across the top. Now, wet the letter with a sponge.
Big line down. I got to start the curve going up towards the smiley.
You rock!
And now little line across the top.
Yes! Now dry the letter with the towel.
Big line down. I got to start my curve up towards...
Oops, try that one again.
Big line down. Start my curve up towards the smiley.
You got it!
Little line across the top.
Oh, yeah. Now try the letter with the chalk.
Big line down. I got to start my curve.
Whoa, try that part again.
I think I got to come down a little farther. Big line down.
Give that another go.
It's tricky on the computer. There we go.
Cool beans.
And now little line across, little line across the top.
You are smart.
It's hard on the computer. Hope we can do it better with a pencil.
T goes down, then we give to your top. Give to your top. Give to your top. T goes down, then we give to your top. A little line for the top of T. J goes down, turn, give J a top. Give J a top. Give J a top. J goes down, turn, give J a top. A little line for the top of J. I goes down, then we give I a top. Top, bottom, two. Top, bottom, two. I goes down, then we give it a top and a bottom for capital I.
All right, now it'll be your time to take out your wet, try, dry and work on your app on the uppercase J, and then take out your workbook. Make sure your desk ready before you start writing. Make sure your feet are flat on the floor, your knees are in front of you underneath your table or desk. You're holding your pencil the correct way and your helper hand is out. What I would like you to do then is to take a picture with your iPad of your letter J workbook and then upload it to Seesaw so I can see how you're making your letter J. Have a good afternoon.